But first, we're gonna jump in. We're gonna jump into the HEX price. Let's jump in. We're gonna do a deep dive into the HEX price. Again, HEX has broke that downward trending support for probably 4 months. Oh my God. I might have to just start paying for the full version. Stop getting this. It's been in this descending triangle, in this or falling wedge between support and resistance, clearly hitting between support and resistance. But now it has broken down and we made a price target. It can't be the last move. Unless you want to, can we measure this move? Can't be this last move because then we're negative 20 cents for HEX, and that's not possible. But as far as the price target, I drew the trend line, guys. I drew the trend line. See that? We got support here. We got support here. So it's looking like our price target, our next level of support, is at 1.5 cents. But if we break that, then we're going to head lower. So in order to really know that, we have to open up our fib channel. I don't know what the heck this is. So stupid. We're gonna have to have the fib channel. How does this work? Like this? Oh, okay. So if we fall this much, then we have support here, and then we have, it's not even possible to get to this, but somehow this thing could tell us something. Yeah, guys, moral of the story is technical analysis is dumb, okay? But yeah, are we hitting that 1.5 target? Then probably the next level of support is 1.2 and then a penny. So is HEX hitting a penny? That's the question. I don't know. I think the HEX conference, guys, the HEX conference might be the bottom. I really think that it's going to be maybe a little bit climactic. And the reason for that is not what you think. You guys think that it's testnet v3 or pulsechain launch. Honestly, I don't even care about pulsechain launch anymore, especially because the gas fees aren't even high. I care about TikTok and YouTube Shorts, and you better bet I'm going to be talking about that at the conference. So I think the conference is going to be a huge show of strength. Richard Hart is going to be speaking for like 3 hours on the same day I speak, and there's going to be a lot of activity. There's going to be a lot of buzz. So I think that really is going to be really when people start to realize that HEX isn't going anywhere. But more of that to come. So yeah, there you go. HEX is right now at 1.9. It could go lower to 1.5, and then it could go lower to 1.2, and then it could go to 1 cent, and then it could also go higher. So if it bounces off here, it could go up as high as 2.88. And if it breaks the 2.88, then it's headed for 19 cents or whatever. What is this? It's headed for 18.8 cents. And if it goes up even more, then it's headed even higher. Whoa. Nice day today, huh? Nice day today for the crypto markets. Solana's really been going crazy since Vitalik tweeted about it, which is ridiculous. And honestly, if Vitalik wants to tweet about something, he shouldn't be tweeting about his competing blockchains. He should be tweeting about projects on his blockchains, on his blockchain, like Ethereum. I mean, like HEX. So he's got it wrong. Solana's garbage. Solana's absolute trash. And now they're not going to have all that big money to bail them out. So Solana sucks, guys. Bit is Bybit. Bybit sucks. It's a centralized exchange. Lido is something on Ethereum. Who knows? Nexo's up. Nexo. Wow. Nexo's still solvent, guys. Honestly, I'm impressed by Nexo. Nexo was supposed to be the shadiest one, and they're still giving their payouts. They still are handling withdrawals very, very well. So we could give them some props. Whether they're legitimate or not, I don't know. Whether they're going to stick around, they probably won't. But they're like the last man standing. So shout out to Nexo. And guys, we got 46 watching. So I hope that you hit the like button and subscribe button. And I really hope you hit the super chat button. That would be freaking awesome. But if not, then just like and subscribe. Moving on, we got HEX daily stats. I check HEX daily stats on the daily. You guys know how it goes. HEX daily stats, we have, first of all, we're 339x from all-time lows. The payout, the T-share payout was 6.274. So if you are a HEX staker and you have T-shares, you got paid yesterday. Trustlessly, buy the smart contract, 6.274 HEX. The T-share rate went up 29 HEX. 29, it's going to take 29 HEX to earn a T-share now, 29 more. So if you staked before today, you got a nice discount, you know. You're getting a better rate than the people staking today, which is why HEX is awesome. 46 new current holders and 33 new current stakers. All-time highs for holders and stakers continue. We should be seeing 120,000 very, very soon. And when the price goes up and people continue with these TikToks and YouTube shorts, I think we're going to be headed a lot higher. But that's awesome. Let's check out the chat. What are you guys saying? Where are your super chats? Furu is a breath of fresh air in the community. Thank you, bro. Rusty, loving these streams. Appreciate it. Thank you, Key, with the great work. Amazing. Ted Cash, Sean T. HEX staking is the way. Yes, it is. Going deep. All right, moving on. We got Maddie Allen, everyone. HEXconference.com final schedule is here. And we're live. I think I got it. 4 nights in a row for 5,555 hours starting Friday, January 6th, with 69 fantastic speakers. What's the quotations for 69? I don't get it. Richard Hart Wynn speaks on Monday night, January 9th, streaming on youtube.com. Maddie Allen, let's go. So January 6th. So starting tomorrow, guys. Starting tomorrow, folks, at 8 p.m. Eastern Time. We have an excellent lineup. Day one, you got, look at this panel right here. Crypto Coffee, Crispy Man, Hex Monkey, and Mark Wild. Wow. Incredible. I don't have to read you the whole panel because I read it yesterday. But I did want to read you a specific panel, which is panel 7. So 7 p.m. Central Time, 5 p.m. Pacific Time, and 8 p.m. Eastern Time. That's my time. And 1 a.m. UTC, I don't even know what that is. We have Corey Costa, Furu Finance, Ben Dubard, and RH Max. That is not a panel you are going to want to miss. 8 p.m. on Monday. I get the undercard. Wow, what a privilege. I get the undercard for the Richard Hart conference, for the Richard Hart speech. Richard Hart is speaking starting at 9 p.m. Eastern Time. So 2 hours before Richard Hart speaks, I speak. Do you guys think Richard Hart's going to be watching? I think he will. In fact, I got some good news about Richard Hart with regards to me, but we'll talk about that shortly. But we got 50 watching. Feel free to leave a super chat. But if not, just like the video and subscribe to the channel, and I will totally appreciate you. And obviously, subscribe to the newsletter, the Furu Finance newsletter. It is every Friday. It is exclusive content, and it's free. They say nothing in life's free, right? Well, the Furu Finance newsletter is absolutely free. So you better be checking that out. But